And Jacksonville actually has a good market. Jacksonville, Florida. I was just there consulting on the project, and I didn't know it was container projects there, but there are restaurants there made out of them, and there is a small community as well. So just keep in mind, it just depends. So she said Fort Lauderdale. I'm not familiar with Fort Lauderdale. Is that, tell me a county? Unfortunately, it's weird. I know counties more than I know cities. To answer your question.
But that's a city but it's just like any other project that we do in the permitting and getting the permissions and everything that you need, right? Like if you have the money, right?
Broward County, yeah, we're good.
And then you have the money and you have the plan, then it's all about going through the same process that we go through. Permitting, submitting your ideas and such to planning and zoning, finding out exactly where you gonna put it and what the zoning laws and everything is for where you trying to build, and then you go from there. It's like it's growing. It's getting more popular, and the more it happens, the more it's gonna be approved because it's not a foreign thing. Like in the past few years, it's been a raise your eyebrow type of like, y'all want to make houses out of shipping containers? Like, what do you mean? And like the person said, the question about the paint, I think that stems from the myth of containers possibly carrying toxic materials, or the paint that they coat them with being toxic or whatever. But like we've explained on previous shows, the containers that you build with, containers that contained